Gotcha.
Okay. Then,
Hello.
Hi, I'm Tim with Intermountain Homecare.
Come on in.
Hi, how are you?
Good.
All right.
That. Big smiles.
You know, as I think about our 30th anniversary, I think it's always been the people of home care that have been our strength. Working at all levels of the organization that really make the difference and really provide the special care and the love and tenderness that really sets us apart.
I think having home health care come to your home is a huge benefit, not only for the convenience of having to get in your car and go to the hospital, but Dylan has made a huge difference in our lives. He's changed our lives forever. He really has.
When I first started being sick, I just thought I had the flu. And when I found out that I had leukemia, I didn't really know what cancer was. So I was kind of scared, but I think if I knew more, I would be more scared.
When we first found out that she had leukemia, it was a shock. She spent several months in the hospital doing chemotherapy. She got a bone marrow transplant from her brother, came home for recovery, and that's when Intermountain Homecare played a huge role.
Dylan, I don't think of him as much as my home health nurse. I think of him as a friend who I can talk to or text.
Her attitude, her happiness has greatly been affected by his selfless service, and we'll never forget him.
Home care nurses and hospice nurses have that passion. You'll see their eyes light up when they go into the home and see their patients and connect with them. They build relationships. They have that passion to make changes.
These last 30 years, we have been very thoughtful about the care that we provided and the way we've done things. And now as we look forward, I see really home care at the center of the future of health care.
I see the future over the next 20 to 30 years. The hospital's taking a secondary amount of work, and we're going to move into the homes as the major care for almost every bit of the patient's problems.
Patients go home sicker, and they really need care to continue once they get to the home.
To take care of a patient in the home is a fraction of what it costs to take care of the patient in the hospital.
And that's where somebody really wants to be. We can teach them about their medications and the place where their medications are. And we can talk to them about how to change their diet with the foods that are in their home. It gives us a chance to say not, this is what you should do, but let's find out who you are and then help you be the best you in your environment.
It allows them to become part of their care. The patient and the family, when they're at home, they're really invested in their care for sure.
It's exciting. It gives us a chance to make somebody's life better.
Home care has always been a highly valued part of Intermountain, and it will play an even greater role in the future as we bring more care and more complex care closer to our patients' homes.
The future with the technology that is now upon us is amazing. For example, we have wound care. We have a wound care specialist that they can call in real time, show the physician who's a specialist in this is what this wound looks like. We can look in their ears with the tele-electronics.
There are so many more homebound patients that just leaving the home is so taxing to them. Being able to put devices in the home that allow patients remotely, rurally, to communicate with their physicians without needing to transport people.
It's here now, and the future is going to be unbelievable. It's very possible that half of the doctor visits of the future will be in the home now.
I really believe that Intermountain Homecare is in a unique position to be able to meet the challenges of the future. Providing things that don't necessarily make money will put us in a position where we really will be the community resource of the future.
You're in the wheelchair shop right now. This is Intermountain Homecare's custom wheelchair shop. Custom wheelchairs, custom seating systems, standers, standing frames, bath systems, custom beds, anything you can think of that may need to be customized for a medical purpose, that's what we do. The wheelchair shop is a prime example of a part of this organization that, although we don't make a lot of money, we bring a lot of change into the world.
Brianna means everything to us.
Are you mugging for the camera?
She really is a fun-loving kid. She's silly. She's just funny and goofy. She's happy most of the time.
She brings a smile to the room.
Brianna's a special little 8-year-old kiddo. She has a condition called glutaric acidemia. People with this condition are unable to perform a lot of the gross or finer motor functions that all of us take for granted. Well, her parents came in and they asked specifically about power mobility. She was able to master driving, and we were then able to provide her with a power wheelchair that she uses on a daily basis.
Halloween this year, we took a refrigerator box and turned her power chair into a Zamboni. The really cool thing about it is we're big hockey fans with the local Utah Grizzlies, and once they saw that, they have invited her for every game that she's there to go out on the ice during one of the intermissions. I mean, without Intermountain Homecare being here and the wheelchair shop being here, that's something that she would never be able to do.
You're definitely changing lives and helping to give kids and adults freedom and enriching their lives.
Just a huge, huge thanks. Let me tell you, the people of Intermountain Wheelchair Shop definitely care.
I believe that this is the best time to be in home care and hospice. It is perfect. It is the perfect time for post-acute care services. And it is a lovely time to be innovating and looking forward to what new services we can provide while we're still perfecting what we do provide now.
I'm glad to have this opportunity to thank all of our colleagues at Intermountain Homecare for the extraordinary care you've extended to our patients over the past 30 years. And I look forward to seeing the exciting things you'll accomplish in the years ahead. Sincere thanks and congratulations.